Legendary jazz muse Otsi Pochola has passed away. Fellow musician Joachim Bewley said the music icon passed away in his home country early on Thursday. He died in Lesotho this morning. We got confirmation from his aunt who is in Lesotho that he died around 6 a.m, Bewley said. We are told that he was fine just a few weeks ago. He even attended the funeral of a close family member in Lesotho. News of the Holocaust hitmaker's passing was already making headlines in his hometown, with local media passing its condolences. Otsi Pochola, Sankamota's world-renowned village pope, succumbed to the virus-related illness this morning in Tetening, Lesotho, confirmed the family in a brief statement on Thursday. Lesotho-based TV broadcaster Conan Gatane said the star's passing was one of the most devastating days of my life. Music icon Otsi Pochola died this morning after testing positive for the pandemic. Condolences are pouring in from local celebrities. Actress Terry Vito said, "My late dad and I loved Otsi Pochola so much. This is so sad. Rest in peace, and thank you for the beautiful music and Tate." Actress Dini Olanga, meanwhile, wrote, "Otsi Pochola has been part of every celebration and loss in most of our homes. Haona Mokit Kapalafumo, O Sarakawing Tate Otsi Pochola 10. It's like his voice held space for black joy and black pain. It feels like someone just shot a missile through our artistic DNA." The 67-year-old Chola, who was affectionately known as the village pope, had a singing career spanning over 40 years. His hit list consists of classic hit tracks such as Shine Your Light, Nonye, and Tate.
Yeah.